Dear brothers and sisters, Prophet ﷺ said in hadith number 8.35 in Bukhari that the person who looks after and works for a widow and for a poor person is like a warrior fighting for Allah's cause, or a person like who fasts during the day and prays all night. It is narrated by Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu. Dear brothers and sisters, equivalent to jihad warrior or a person fasts in a day and prays all night is the reward for doing a social work. What is that social work? Is to help and sponsor a widow and to help and support a poor people. May Allah guide us to follow this hadith. Thank you.
Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala